Check your foundation.
Check your foundation.
That you standing on now. Check your foundation.
Check your foundation.
That you building on now. Check your foundation.
Check your foundation.
I'm speaking of your words. Check your foundation.
Check your foundation.
Before you hit the dirt, boom. My foundation is love. Let me tell ya. If you got the wrong, we say, but our God now, you will have the wrong unsaved, yeah, and you will have misconception, and you will have the wrong interpretation, and you will teach wrong information.